All right, everyone. So yes, I did pass the Thunder Pro trial challenge or trial to a challenge, and it's pretty interesting. I want to go over it. I want to go over a few things, and let me refresh the page so that you guys don't think that I'm lying. You know, it's the actual challenge or the actual trial themselves. All right. Now, let me go over the trades real quick. It was just two trades that I took. One was with 7 lots, the other one was with 2 lots. Now, you're probably thinking that I am probably the best trader or one of the top traders out here, whatever. But the truth is, guys, and I'm going to tell you something that very few mentors and people in this space will actually tell you, okay? The people that you see on Instagram, the people that you see constantly showing that they're passing challenges with like 1 or 2 trades, I'm going to tell you this. I actually failed like 2 challenges before this. Now, it wasn't because of my strategy. It was because I was doing this. I was gambling. I was essentially gambling with my lot sizes. And if I wasn't doing that, I probably would have taken a lot longer to pass the challenges if I would have done things the right way. And that's something that these mentors will not tell you. That is something they will keep out of their YouTube channels, their Instagram pages, whatever, because the last thing they want you to think is that they are not as efficient or as professional as they seem to be, because then you won't buy their courses, you won't buy their mentorships. And since I have nothing to gain or lose here, I'm going to be completely honest. And I don't want you guys to be discouraged either from trading. That's also another reason why I'm telling you, yes, you will fail challenges. Sometimes the best of the best will fail challenges. It doesn't matter. What matters is that you keep trying. What matters is that you keep going, refining your strategy. If you're using your personal strategy, make sure that you're putting in the time, the effort. Do what you have to do to get it locked down. Because at some point you will see this right here. At some point you will pass that challenge. You just can't be discouraged. You can't let what you see online dictate how you are as a person or as a trader. Because like I said, they'll lie to you. They'll tell you, oh yeah, I passed that challenge. I passed my second or third challenge in like 1 or 2 trades. Really? Can you show me the challenges that you failed before actually passing the one you're posting? They're not going to do it. They're not going to do it. So that's why I wanted to make a video specifically on this. I know this is a little strange. It's because I'm using this right here. I think I didn't set it up right. But point is, ladies and gentlemen, don't believe everything you see online. Okay? Don't believe it. It's not always what it seems to be. Okay? Now, I want to talk about the trade now. The trades themselves. So like I said, it's part of a swing trading strategy that I will be giving to you guys. I've been taking so long to make a video on it because I want to make it as well explained as possible. So be patient with me. It's coming. Don't worry. This is going to be a huge game changer for a lot of you guys. So if you were planning on paying for that mentorship that, you know, claims to give you the highest % win rates as a swing trader, you don't have to. I'm coming to help y'all. Just be patient with me, okay? So let me start off with the 12-hour time frame. So on the 12-hour, I saw this really big fair value gap, and I already saw price was heading towards that fair value gap, so I marked it up, and then I dropped down to the 4-hour. Now in the 4-hour, I saw this. I saw that failed break of structure, and then I saw a change of character, or a possible change of character, or a break of structure, however you want to call it, market structure shift, whatever. I saw this. After I saw this, I dropped down to the 1-hour. And then on the 1-hour, I marked up this demand zone. Now I thought to myself, okay, 2 things that can happen after this. Either price comes back down, breaks through my demand zone, takes out some of those stop losses that are resting under here, and then continues back up. Or it respects the demand zone, does not take the stop losses, and we're good to go. So me seeing this, I'm not gonna lie, I let my psychology get the best of me and I got in here. But I was somewhat smart and put my stop loss down here, and I put my take profit fairly close. But I didn't have my lot sizes loaded up like I thought I did. And in a way, I'm glad I didn't, because I wanted to go for a higher RR either way. So it kind of worked out perfectly. And then I actually waited for price to come down a little more. And then once I started seeing these bullish candles, I thought, you know what? I'm going to get in here, and then I'm going to put my stop loss into this demand zone. Worst thing that could happen is I get stopped out and I fail another challenge. Fine by me. I'm already used to having my account and drawdown. I'm used to it. It's okay. I'm used to losing challenges. I'm used to it. I did it a lot. I lost a lot of challenges when I first started. I'm fine. And thankfully, price did not take me out. It went in my favor, and the first take profit was right here for this first position. And in the video, you could see that my take profit was actually slightly above this wick right here. But I actually ended up moving it down a little more. And if I would have done it earlier, my take profit would have been hit a long time ago. But instead it got hit, I think, around this candle. And the reason why I moved my take profit was because I didn't need the extra dollars. So I was like, you know what, I'm not going to be greedy. I'm just going to move it down a little bit just in case. All right, just in case. So I moved it slightly under this wick. And so that's why it's where it's at right now. And you can see take profit got hit either way. So that's how I made the last bit of money that I needed for that 10%. But yeah, don't do what I did, guys, if you're buying challenges. Even if you're not buying them, I don't want you to practice bad behavior. I want you to practice good trading techniques. This is still kind of gambling, so be a little careful. What I would have rather done was to just set a limit order like around the order block, and then my stop loss under it, and my take profit would have been up here. That would have been a little more smarter, a little more safer, and a little less gambling. Even limit orders are still kind of considered gambling, but since I'm basing it off the higher time frame, it would have been fine. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the power of this strategy and talk a little bit about that psychology element. And I hope that it encourages you and not discourages you, because like I said, we're not all perfect. No trader is perfect, but anything can be accomplished if you set your mind to it. So other than that, ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for you. Take care, take it easy. Give me some time to finish this freaking presentation for y'all. It's coming, okay? But other than that, study all my other videos, take a look at them, and yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.